All right, let's get started with this, guys. So I'm about to show y'all how to actually get in the training and start uh, learning the process. So you're gonna come up to the your search box or URL. You're gonna type in jobkilling.com, and it will bring you up to a page that says username, or it says username or email. I can't remember which one it says, and then it has password. And in the document I shared with y'all, it will have the username and password. It's my username and password. So put that, or keep the document, or just so you can log in, or don't say remember me, because then it will confuse the whole thing. And then just log in. You'll have to log in every time. But once you get to this page, it'll bring you to this when you first log in. And just don't worry about any of these videos. And then you'll see trust the process. You'll be on this page. So what I want you to do is go and hover over login. It'll bring down this drop tab, and you go all the way down and click on optimize. And don't worry about this on-page optimization right now. We will go through these videos, and then I will most likely tell you, once the business starts to get up and going, and we start getting more clients, and we're all going to be in this. Then I will most likely have y'all go through through all of these videos. But we're not worried about that right now. We're just trying to get these. When I give y'all the pages to backlink to, that's what I'm trying to do right now. And then we will go through these later. I just don't want y'all to watch these and get confused right now. So you're going to go to this page, optimize, and you're going to see the on-page optimization. Just don't worry about that. Scroll down to right here, off-page optimization. Now this is the part that I want y'all to watch. All of these videos. It'll start with external optimization basics, and then you will go all the way down, and you're gonna watch all of these videos. Influence link circle. So what this part is doing right here, when the first part I showed you, off-page optimization, this is kind of showing you how you're going to do it, or showing you really what it is and good examples of it. And don't he's using a tool called Majestic in this training right here. I'm not 100% positive of which tool we're going to use. We might use Majestic. We might use another tool called Mangools. Just because there's restrictions in Majestic of how many users you can have at one time, and obviously there's 3 of us. So if all 3 of us want to be on there, if y'all 2 are going to be on there, or one of us, or so I want a tool so we can all 3 be on there, working at the same time. So I'm not sure if we're going to be using Mangools or Majestic. Now they both have the same concept, just the layout's different. So if we end up using Mangools, then I will go through and I will show you how to use it. But just don't be worried about it right now. Just watch these videos and understand what he's doing and what backlinking is, and great practices. So this is going to be kind of showing you, the basics of everything, kind of, what it is. I think in this one, he will tell you to get a tool. It should look like this up here. It's the no follow. It kind of just, it puts a red box over no follow links, but y'all will learn about all of that in here. So whenever you go down here to off page in the trenches, this is showing you how to do it, like great ways to do it. And this will be how to search for the site. So whenever I put up a new site, and it will be waiting for it to be indexed, Google will index sites. So when I first put up a site, the site will automatically not show up. And this, he'll show you how to do that in there. But don't really be worried about that. But take some, this video has some good stuff in it. But he does have a video on there of a site that he put up. It's called EDH Pool Cleaner. That was mostly for me when I was going through all this training the first time. So don't be really worried about that. He will have a site in there, a finished site that's EDH Pool Cleaner that he uses for an example. Just don't be worried about that. We're just focusing on backlinks right now. But This, I think, in this one he shows you how to backlink by comments, shows you all the good stuff in there. This influence, he also shows you a lot of good backlinking strategies and stuff. And then link circle, I believe this will be in the Facebook group. When he refers to a Facebook group, whenever I bought this course, uh, I'm allowed inside of a private Facebook group that only for people who buy the course. So if he refers to a Facebook group, just don't be confused. Now, there might be times that I send y'all screenshots of the Facebook group, kind of giving y'all good pointers or inspiration. The group's really just, inspirational for the business owners that kind of, that are having trouble, ask questions and stuff. So that's really what he's referring to when it comes to the Facebook group. Now, you can download this. This is the step-by-step link strategy when it comes to anchor text, I believe. Shows you a good strategy. Now, I might be sending y'all documents or files that give y'all great link strategies. What do you? In one of these videos, he shows, he explains anchor text, which that was what I was saying the other day about of what text you're linking to, like in a certain the link that's going to be on a website. It might be landscaping, and then there's landscapers, and then there's he'll explain that in here. But that's what the document will be for. I hope that makes sense. But we'll explain this. So go through and just watch these videos. And I would advise watching them twice. Go through and kind of get the basics of them, and then after you've kind of watched them, go through again. You can log in as many times as you want. You can watch these videos as many times as you want. Whenever you want. And if you're going through the process and you kind of get stuck somewhere and you need to come back and watch one of these videos, just log in. The password, the username and password will be in that document I'm going to share with y'all. So, I guess we'll go from here.